Hi guys and girls, my name's Dan, welcome back to The Forge. In this video I want to talk about a new series that I want to make, and it's the reason I originally wanted to start making YouTube videos. So basically the series is going to be me meeting other smiths and craftsmen and metal workers and stuff like that, to just show what's out there really. So I know I'm not another smith and this is my workshop, but in this video I'm going to make a small item that I'm going to put on a plaque that I'm going to give to each one of the craftspeople that I hope to meet, and I'm also going to make one today for you guys to win. So stay tuned and find out how to win the item at the end of the video. Super simple build, this one. So basically this is a piece of 40 by 20 by 110. That is 1.5 by 3/4 by 4¼ inches. So basically that's it. This is just going in the fire, and then I'm going to get it hot, get it under the power hammer, get it to shape, and then after that you need to make a punch that looks like this basically. And to make this, all you have to do is get some 25mm bark and draw a taper down like that, and then chop it up, and it's really easy, so there's no point making a video on that one. So, right, cool, I'm going to get on. Now the basic shape's done, what I need to do is take this triangle and stab it in there. Let's get messy on. So all that's left to do is put my stamp in it, and then number 1, because it's the first one I made. So there you are, guys, the first forged play button. The first of many, I hope. So if you want to win this, drop a comment, and in the comment I want you to write someone that you'd like me to get in touch with, or arrange a meeting, or even an institution, or anything like that, like Iron Bridge, if you want me to go up there, or something like that. And I'll get it together to arrange something to do with them. And yeah, so the best comment in there, best original comment that comes in first, I'll try and work out how to do that, win this play button. Good luck, guys, and hope to see you soon. Bye! One last thing, I'm pretty sure I've got the next episode sorted, so I'll have to make one of these already, and hopefully it'll be next week, so that should be good. Cheers, bye!